You are watching Travel World Online.
News highlights of the day. HRAWI's Aurangabad chapter engages top political leaders to address industry concerns. ITDC posts strong financial results in 2023-24. Sarovar Hotels strengthens top management with strategic promotions. Earthian Hotels N Resorts to develop second sustainable resort in Kumbhalgarh. IndiGo announces direct flights between Bengaluru and Deoghar. Air India appoints SIAEC as strategic partner for developing base maintenance facilities in Bengaluru. News in details.
Maharashtra's top leaders from across political parties recently met with the Hotel and Restaurant Association, Western India, HRAWI's regional chapter in Aurangabad to discuss grievances within the hospitality industry. India Tourism Development Corporation, ITDC, a public sector under the Ministry of Tourism, has announced its exceptional financial performance for the fiscal year 2023-24, marking a significant milestone in its rich legacy and journey. Sarovar Hotels has announced the promotion of three of its top executives, Rajesh Ranjan, Nipun K. Wig and Akshay Thusu, to senior vice presidents for development, operations, and commercial respectively.
Very good initiative. It is going to help the small tour operators. This is the future of the digital India and digital platform.
Download Travel Business app.
The Earth at Ranthambore in Rajasthan, an Earthian Hotel initiative, offering sustainability as a way of life, is offering its curated collection of exclusive religious and adventurous activities for the summer of May to June 2024.
IndiGo has announced direct flights between Deoghar and Bengaluru 3 times a week. Beginning from 1st June 2024, these direct flights will operate on Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. This new route will enhance connectivity from the southern part of India to the famous religious hubs in Jharkhand.
Air India has appointed SIA Engineering Company Limited, SIAEC, as its strategic partner for the development of Air India's base maintenance facilities in Bengaluru. As part of the partnership, Air India will work closely with SIAEC on the planning, construction, development and operationalization of Air India's base maintenance facilities in Bengaluru, India.
You are watching Travel World Online.